What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, drawing Jellyfish Sandy from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a curve for the bottom edge of the hat. We'll start all the way over on the left side. Let's bend this down in the center, go across and then back up. And I want to round out the side of the hat, going out and then back in. And we'll close off the top with another curve, coming down, across, and then up. Let's work our way along the side of the hat up towards the top. So we'll start on the left side, going up, and we'll bend that in. And we'll close out the top with a curve. Let's add some lines across the hat brim, starting in the center with one line coming down the middle. Now on either side, we're just going to bend this out and in. Let's go to the outside and draw one more curve. Now I want to draw that large star in the center of the hat tucked in behind the hat brim. So we'll start right in the middle with a point. Bend this out and then down toward the left and right side. Just curve the side of the star, going out and then down. And we'll bend this down and then in underneath the hat brim. Let's add that eye in the center. We'll start with a curve along the top, going down and up. Flatten off the ends. And I just want to trace this back. We're going to add 4 lashes along the bottom. So we'll start by curving this down and in. Let's add that first lash, coming down and up. Continue that curve. We're going to add one more set along the inside. And we'll close off the center. Now with the hat in place, we're going to move down and draw the first set of tentacles. From the bottom corner of the hat, let's step down, curves down, and then out. Now we're going to move up, curve this up, and then out. Let's round out the tip, come down, and then in. And we want to bend this back up underneath the hat. Round this out and go up underneath. Let's add a trim along the inside. So we're going to step out, come down, round this out, and then blend that out towards the bottom. Now in this area, we're going to draw a small oval. Now inside this gap, we're going to add one more tentacle. From this point, we're going to bend this up and out. Round out the tip, come down, and then in behind. Let's add a trim across the bottom, coming down and in. Let's draw a half oval along the inside. Now in the center of the head, we're going to draw in that hair. Let's start on the left side of center, angle this down and out, go across, come down again. I'm just going to round out the right side, going out and then up. Now on the side, we want to close the eyes. So on the left, I'm just going to curve this down and then up. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's add some thickness to the lashes. From the end, I'm just going to taper this down and then taper that back in. And we'll fill the eyes in black. Now in between the eyes, we're going to add a small curve for the nose. Step down over towards the left, curve the mouth, going up and then down. Now that we've drawn the face, let's close off the bottom of the head. We're going to start over on the left side, goes down, across the chin, and tuck that in on the right side. Let's add the bottom of the collar. Starting back over on the left, we come down a little bit lower, go across, and then back up. Let's add some detail across the collar. We're going to start with a star, going up and then down with that first point. Add the second point. I'm just going to tuck the bottom in underneath. let's add a couple spots. Small one in the center, slightly larger one just along the edge. And then on the far right, we're gonna add 2 points for the edge of the star. Now I want to draw 2 stars on the side of the body tucked in underneath. So we're gonna start on the left. Come down with a short line. I'm gonna start with the outside. Going out and then back in. Let's draw 2 points across the bottom. And just tuck this in on the inside. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we're gonna start with the inside. Add those 2 points across the bottom. Now that one on the outside, and then up. In between the stars, add a curve going across, step down, curve this up, and then down. Let's add 2 lines in the center. I'm going to leave a gap in the middle, move over towards the left, bend the leg going out, and then back in towards the heel. And then bend this down and out towards the bottom of the foot. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Start with the left side, coming down and up. And from the outside, curve the foot, going up, and then bend that down towards the inside of the heel. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So we're just going to trace that curve going across. Now underneath the stars, we're going to bend the legs, going out, down, and just tuck that in on top of the feet. Now on the side of the legs, we're going to add some spots. Let's add a small one along the top, and just add one along the side of the leg, almost like an oval, and a couple more on the right side. Now you want to drape the arms along the side of the body. Let's start on the left side. We bend this down and out across the sleeve, round out the arm, and then bend that in towards the leg. Let's go to the right side. Bend down and out, round out the arm, and then bend that in. Now I want to add a stripe along the outside. Let's start from the top. Just going to follow that curve coming around, then down towards the bottom. Trace that along the inside. Now with the hands, we're just going to tuck 3 fingers underneath the sleeve. So starting from the top, bend this down and out, in behind the leg. Move out and draw 2 more curves. And we'll do the same thing on the right. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Jellyfish Sandy from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.